Hi everyone, welcome to MarikaCreations. Today I will make a thrift flip. I found this rather big, old, beautiful toolbox in the garage. It was full of old tools, so I've emptied it and it's super dirty, but yeah, cleaned it up, painted it, made it beautiful, made it fit right into my decor, and I have decorated it with the message, and I would like to show you how I did all that. So let's dive into it. Here is my beautiful toolbox. It's in perfect condition but super dirty. So that is the first thing I will do to clean it up properly. And it was a lot of work, I will tell you that. And this is a bit of the result of it. I scraped it, I cleaned it, you name it. And now I will sand it off to get even more dirt off and smoothen everything before I get to painting. And here I am painting away, and I'm using a black satin color inside and out, and I apply 2 coats to get the good coverage and let it dry in between the coats. And while the toolbox is drying, I will go on with some of my decor. I have this gift box that I will make prettier, and I will cover it with some old book pages, and I'm just hot gluing them into place, and both the lid and the box itself. This video is also part of a challenge, FLIPPIN Friday, and it is hosted by Jaime over at Border Bananas and Border Bananas DIY. And if you're not familiar with Jaime and her channels, be sure to jump on over right after this video and check out what she has to offer. I will leave links down in my description box to her channels, as well as to the playlist of this challenge, so you can get loads and loads of inspiration. As you can see, I have started to wrap some burlap ribbon around the box, and I'm hot gluing that in place as well. Do the same to the lid. And after I have done that, I will embellish the lid with some lace ribbon on both sides of the burlap ribbon. And now I'm taking a paper name tag that I will write some text on, and I am writing the gift of life. I have taken a piece of nautical rope and untangled it, and now I'm tying it together with a piece of jute twine and making a tassel. Just trim it and it is done. At the other end of my garage, I am spray painting a few things with a copper color that I will use to decorate my toolbox with. Onto another piece of decor for my toolbox. I've taken a piece of metal wire and I am making it into a dragonfly. This is my first time doing this, and I will just tell you that the first attempt, didn't go very well, as you can see here, but the second one did better. So I'm happy with that, and what I will do next is to take this metal mesh and I will cover the wings with it, and I will just fold them around the wings and I will hot glue them into place. And then I will just take my scissors and cut off the excess around the wings. And when I am done with all 4 of them, I will go out in my garage and I will spray paint the wings with the copper color, as I have done here. And now I'm taking my jute twine and I am wrapping it around the body of my dragonfly. And I will also put the jute twine around the edges of the wings, as you can see me do here, and I will do that on both sides of the wings. And I will work my way to the top of the head and then work my way down again to get a good thickness of my dragonfly. Then I just adjust the wings and cut off the cord, and then I'm done. Looks pretty. And now on to my toolbox again, finally dried after 2 coats, and now I'm wrapping the handle with some nautical rope, and I just hot glue it every now and then to keep it in place. Now I am dry brushing the toolbox with a white acrylic, and I'm brushing away until I am happy with the result. I will not bother to dry brush the inside of the box. If you're new to my channel, hi! I am Marika, and on this channel I do lots of DIYs, thrifting, decorating, renovation of my home, some pottery, some painting, anything creative really. Please join me, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and let's be friends. And this will be the front of my toolbox, and I am writing a text here as well. And that will say I am high on life. And I'm using a white acrylic to paint my letters. And here it is, sitting on my sideboard behind the sofa in the living room. I am so happy with the result. It looks great. I am high on life and I want to celebrate life and all the good things. And starting out on the back there with a piece of greenery from my backyard representing Gaia, Mother Nature, and the heart is love, of course. Some books, some notebooks for inspiration, creativity, knowledge. We have the tree of life in the background there. And a guardian angel or spirit guides or your higher self, whatever you want to call it. And here is the box, the gift of life, and that is the most important thing in life, really, that you are alive. And here is my dragonfly sitting on the handle, looking super cute with the eyes, a little blingy eyes there. And dragonflying to me is to be reborn. And another heart, even more love. And there is our world, the globe, and we're all part of the same world. And the candle representing your inner light. Remember to always shine your light for yourself and for others. So tell me, what do you think of my thrift flip? Leave me a comment down below. And if you like this video and videos like this, be sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button for more inspirational videos. Thank you so very much for watching. I see you soon again in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye.